Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For those of you that are new to my channel, I want to say welcome. And for those of you that are a part of my family, welcome back. My name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So in today's video, I am going to be recreating a Black Panther look. I felt it was only right, since we're in the month of February, to support one of the biggest movies out right now and show my love for the movies. This video was inspired by Too Much Noise. So this video was inspired by Too Much Noise, and I will put a link to her video down below. When I saw her video, I thought it was the cutest thing, so I wanted to do my version. Now, while everyone else is doing their, I tried to follow a makeup tutorial by, I ain't doing that on my channel, sorry. I don't follow the trends, I ain't following the trends. I'm not a big fan of that trend, and so, you know, yeah, I'm gonna do what I wanna do. I attempted to do this natural look, and I attempted to lay my sides down, and I don't really know a lot about gels and everything. It's been a really super long time since I've had a perm, since I've used gels, since I've used just chemicals in my hair. For the most part, I wash my hair, and I've been learning more about products that hydrate the hair, but you know, I don't really know a lot about gels and stuff, and so I had some got to be like extra hold sitting around, and I decided to put that in my hair. I don't know why, but like now my hair is all white and stuff. It's a mess, and I'm well aware that I have a long head, a large forehead. But you know what, it's Black History Month and I'm gonna rock out with my natural styles. So if you want to see this Black Panther look, then stick around and watch the rest of the video. Oh my God, I am super excited. I'm so happy that I did this look. This look came out beautiful. I'm loving the hair. I'm loving the makeup. I'm loving going back to my roots. I did an ancestry test probably 3 months ago, and I found out that I was like 85% African. So I am loving this look. I am loving just learning about my culture. I'm really loving going back to this. Like, who would have thought? Who would have thought? Being like this, dressing like this, you know, it's not always publicized. It's not always glorified. Maybe in the next few days I will really go into some traditional African attire and really just rock out for Black History Month. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you found it interesting, entertaining, or informative, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. And if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, I need you right now, in the name of Africa, Wakanda, to press that subscribe button and show me some love. And while you're at it, don't forget to press that alert bell so that you can be alerted every time I post a new video. Now, I am on social media. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, all under keywords fashion, beauty, and wine. In the spirit of Wakanda, the spirit of Black Panther, the spirit of me, Crystal, 85% African, I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye-bye.